Hi, my name is Liki. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. I'd like to talk about a wonderful opportunity I came across which has transformed my trading. Prior to me getting this opportunity, I was really struggling with my trading. I was making a lot of losses. But then a friend of mine who is a fellow trader as well introduced me to this opportunity, and it's called Forex Beginners Academy, created by Saad Ali. Now, this academy offers you a lot in learning, a lot in lessons. You learn about support and resistance, about trend lines and channels, about candlesticks analysis, about Fibonacci retracements, and quite a lot. And when you go through this academy, which is quite free, and you come out of it, you become a very good trader. Your trading is transformed, just like mine has been transformed. And it's something I will really want to recommend to anybody who is having problems or issues with his or her trading. And it's a very commendable job done by Saad Ali. He broke down everything. He's a wonderful teacher, I must say, and it's something I will really recommend to anybody who is having issues or is having problems with trading. And there's also something called the students group in that academy. In that students group, which is free again, you submit your charts. You analyze charts on TradingView. And okay, I forgot to mention that that's one of the things you learn in the academy as well. You learn how to analyze charts using TradingView. And so when you do that, you submit your charts on to the students, to the student group. Sadly himself looks at the charts which you have submitted, points out your errors, and and then you become, by doing that, you become a far more better trader. And to cap it all, after you have gone through the course, you are given a winning strategy by Sadali. He's done a very marvelous job, I must tell you, and it's something anybody, if you know you're having problems, please just go to Forex Beginners Academy by Sadali. Go through the course and transform your trading, and you will thank your stars for that. Thank you.